Hello everyone, Arjava, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lubricate and clean a Rubik's Cube. This is the GAN 11M Pro frosted black version. So before lubing we have to clean this hole up. So for that you'll have to disassemble the cube. To start disassembling, rotate the layer 45 degrees and remove an edge piece. There, this is completely disassembled. And first of all, let me tell you, I am going to use this fabric cloth. This is a fabric used to clean the specs. So let's clean this up. Make sure that there is no dust after you clean. Alright, so let's see the results. Okay. There. Now I will clean the pieces. Do it gently. The last one, and I'm done. This big pile of pieces and a little core. So after you clean it, get your lubes. For the pieces, I'm going to be using Cubello Velocity, which is weight 1. I'm going to use weight 1 for pieces, and I'm going to be using Cubello Nucleus for for the core, which is weight 5. So I'll be lubing the core. So I'll have to remove the center caps off. There. Now we will remove the clear things and the GS nuts. And now we have to remove these black things. So now we have only the core left, and you have to wipe it up too. There we have the core. Now it's time to lubricate the pieces. As you see, it's really newly bought, and that's why the cap was there. And now I will put this green tip, and the lube is ready to lube the pieces. So first, let's just wipe it again to make sure there is no dirt. As you see, this cloth, poor cloth, so dirty. I just wiped it. It was just newly washed, and it's so dirty now. So this is Nucleus Premium Cube Lubricant, and I think we can really gently put a drop. I'll just spread the lube. Yeah, and this piece is ready to be inserted. So let's do that with all the rest of the pieces. the last one. Okay, this much is enough. I'll just spread it there, and let's insert this back. If you are using a GAN 11M Pro 2, then you can and you have lubed it, then and you need to set it up back, then you can watch my video tutorial on how did I set up the GAN 11M Pro. Okay, the code is ready, and we will now put the center caps back. The core is fixed. Now we are going to lubricate the pieces. So I'll be using Velocity as I told you in the beginning. Okay. There. And the needle. Yes. So now we will lubricate the pieces. Make sure it is not over lubed. And the easiest way to spread is to turn it, do some algs first, and it will be automatically spreaded. So just apply the lube, put the drops, keep the pieces, do this all over. For now, I'm not even applying pressure at the plunger of the syringe because we don't have to over lube our piece. One push of a plunger is equal to lubing 2 pieces. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. I'm just tapping at them, and they are and I will then do some algorithms, and they will be spreaded. The lube will be spreaded. Very careful because this is the last piece. Done! There you go. All of these pieces are already lubed. I feel I have just disassembled my GAN 11M Pro when I was unboxing it. Okay, time to reassemble them. I don't know why, but when I assemble these corners, I think about the GAN 11M Spider. Okay, yellow, orange. Okay. The cube is assembled. Now time to spread the lube. As you see now how smooth this cube is turning, and the lube is spreaded too. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and for more such fun and interesting ideas, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.